Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today we are going to talk about why should preppers adapt and have adaptability. Well, that is what we are going to talk about for today's video. Stay tuned. We will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to talk about why should preppers adapt and their adaptability. So, first of all, I want to say this. World is changing constantly, and the time is changing constantly. And there will pop up new scenarios, there will pop up new possibilities, there will pop up new issues, there will pop up new things that you didn't had any clue about or didn't know anything about. So if you as a prepper cannot adapt to those changes, you will have a serious problem. And it depends also on your adaptability. If you are a person who has a very good adaptability, you will manage pretty well and very good compared to those who don't have that good adaptability. Because people with good adaptability, they can see those changes and they will know my old plans will not work. So I need to upgrade my plans and update them. And you need to take also in consideration and do my med preps, first aid preps. Do I need to update it? Because there might be changes in the family. There might be different types of changes that you need to add some other stuff to your kit. And the same thing with the food, because taste buds will change every fifth year. So let's say if you like sardines before, and 5 years later you don't like it anymore because your taste bud has changed. So update your plans, update your preps, and you need to follow the changes. Some people don't follow the changes. They just stay on the same spot as they always done, because they are comfortable with that. So I think it's really important that you have a good adaptability, because that will help you. And it will be much easier to update your preps, update your food, update your water system, update your water filtering system, water storage system. So to adapt, it's really important. And some people has really big issues with that. They can't adapt, basically. But one question, how can we as a human survive through all these thousands years? Okay? Because we have learned to adapt, because we had to adapt. That's why we have stayed on this planet for so long. We learn new things. We learned how to start a fire. We learned to hunt. We learned gathering and foraging. So that's why we have survived so long as we did. We had been through a lot of disasters. Let's take a bubonic plague. We survived that. Spanish flu. We survived that. Bubonic plague, I believe it was 1/4 of... well, it was a lot of people who died in that disease, in that plague. And the same thing with the Spanish flu. It was millions who died. So, how did we survive? We adapt. We have adapt. That's it. That's the simple answer on that question. So, as a prepper, we need to follow the changes and adapt as it changes. Well, I might be wrong, I might be correct, but that's all for today's video, guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and a comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So until the next one, take care, stay safe, stay vigilant, be part of the solution, not the problem. God bless.